Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aaron Knightley. Today's video is all about cashing in, depositing a full year of saved change, 365 days. And you know, this is about money management, the delayed gratification. So I'm going to be taking you along with me. We're going to be going to the bank, cashing this in and actually seeing how much a year's coin saving can look like. I would imagine, in fact, actually, leave me a comment below. How much do you think is in this jar? I would guess, I don't actually know how much is in here, but I would take a guess to say there's between 170 to about 185 pound. I'm hoping more. And at the end of the day, although it might not be a lot, it's still something that adds up to everything else that we're doing. So we've got savings, we've got investments, you know, we've got all these different sort of asset classes that ultimately compound to the net worth to hopefully aim towards a better financial future and ultimately financial freedom. So I hope this is of interest, and I really urge you, if you're not doing it already, start saving your change. Reason being is it's still money at the end of the day. I know that, you know, when you cash in a note or something and, you know, you'd be waiting at the checkout and they say, you know, your due change of 20, 30p, you might just walk off, but actually stop to think, take back that change, because you do that time and time again, it really adds up, and this is the result of that. So this is a lot in here and I'm really excited to see how much we get. So without further ado, let's head over to the bank. Let's queue up, hopefully not in the rain. I'm hoping there's not a big queue, and let's actually see how much a full year of saving change actually is, and I urge you to do it as well. Okay, let's head down to the bank. Let's change this up and let's figure out how much a year of savings looks like. I'm really excited because, you know, it's such a small money management habit that we can all do, and you know, the sooner you apply it, the sooner you're going to start reaching your financial goals. So okay, so I've just got to the bank. I'm just waiting outside now, so I'm just going to head on in. I'm going to try and get you in as well, but they might be a bit funny about that. However, just to quickly share with you, I think the difference between those who will be financially stable and potentially financially free, I think comes down to three simple things. One being discipline. I think if you can have the discipline to go and commit to being strict on your financials, you're going to separate yourself from others. Two is having the commitment to actually go and do it. It's all very well saying it, but if you're not committed to doing it, then it's not going to work. And finally, two going hand in hand here is delayed gratification or money management. So they both go hand in hand. Those three qualities will separate you from those who do okay, those who, you know, still struggle later in life. If you can apply those now, you know, you really set yourself up to be so much more later in life financially. And I know it's hard to turn around and say, but you know, I want to enjoy life now, you know, I want to enjoy what I have. You still can. It's just about money management. It's as simple as that. You know, you budget, you pay yourself first, and then you save yourself some fun money afterwards. But enough of me rambling on. Let's head on into the bank and let's change this up and find out how much I got. Okay, super pleased about that. So I saved I'm not going to tell you yet. I'm going to tell you when we get back home, but I'm really pleased with that. So slightly more than what I expected, and just really pleased with it. It's just so simple, and I've saved all that money, and I'm not going to tell you right now. I'm going to tell you when we get back. So let's get a move on and let's find out exactly how much I saved over a year. Okay, so we are back in the office, and the whole process was really quick, really smooth, which I was really shocked about because normally the banks, their queues are huge at the moment, but I walked straight in. So I filmed as much as I could whilst I was in there without looking too suspect, and I'm really pleased with what I got. So the total amount, again, leave your comments below, but I managed to save £182.64, which I think is really good. Some of you might think, oh, it's not that much. However, I cashed in I normally cash in 2 weeks later than what I did today, so I might have reached that 200 mark. However, I'm still really pleased. I thought they'd be in region of about £175, so I weren't far out. And again, it's, you know, not the biggest amount that I've saved. However, it all goes to the same pot. It all goes to our financial future. And, you know, we are in a minority. If you're doing this already, you know, you can be proud that actually we're the ones who are money managing, and we're compounding everything that we're saving and investing. So big thumbs up, because at the end of the day, I'd rather have the £182.64 than not have it. And actually, I'll just pop up my bank deposit there just so you can see. So everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it wasn't my most informative video. All it was really is just to give you a bit of an insight that actually saving your money does work. Doesn't matter how much you save. It's not about how much. It's actually about doing it. It's about making a difference and hopefully aiming towards a financially free future, a comfortable retirement, or whenever you intend to use the money. So again, guys, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I will see you on the next video.